guys, so what are we going to do?
We're gonna go grocery shopping for the Chopped video.
Mary Grace is like a good cook, from what I hear.
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
And then I don't
See,
cook. So we're gonna film a quick like cooking chop / inspired, I don't know, something.
we use the online generator to give us our basket.
Yeah. So we've got just show chops.
So we have about like 5 items that we got, and then Katie, my sister, some of you guys might know her, she is going to pick out one item for us to incorporate into whatever we make. We don't know what the last thing is, and I don't know how it's gonna fit in.
Yeah.
So we'll just have to see.
So we've got coconut milk, spiral beets, or I guess a coconut, spiral
Ginger.
beets, ginger paste.
I love ginger, but
Chicken, the main bit, chicken. Oh, and the Zesty Ranch Pringles.
oh my gosh,
It's gonna be fun, guys. This is a true chop basket.
I think so.
Yeah, okay. Let's go make some food. All right, so we're opening the mystery ingredient Katie left. What is it? Maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal.
Oh!
I don't know how that's gonna work.
I don't know that it will. Katie. So we're gonna try everything first, really quickly, except for the chicken because it's raw.
It matches your t-shirt. I love it. Okay.
These are good. Finely chopped ginger for a warm, zingy flavor. That is definitely
It really is zingy.
I've never had these before, so.
Oh, first time trying beets too. So basically we're planning on trying to come up with something to make just with these ingredients. And like we've got a few other things too.
Staple ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna try to open them.
Oh yeah, okay.
Die, little coconut. I feel like I need to look this up online. How to open a coconut. Oh, wow, it's the second option.
I forgot that there's a potential risk of injury here.
We have water.
Yay!
So should we like open it up completely and use some of the shredded coconut stuff on the chicken?
Ooh, yeah.
Got it.
I'm gonna put this down while you're doing it. Do you need me to hold the coconut? Okay, this is a trust exercise.
This is a bad idea, Carla. This is not even working. That's how bad of an idea it is. That's what the person on the internet is.
Crack that coconut.
Whoa!
I see little meat.
I see the
It's being birthed. We've got that much so far. It kind of looks like a heart, actually.
Aww. Oh, watch out.
Look at that. That made it so much easier.
It really did. If only I was like Hulk or Captain America and I'm just like, oh crap.
Let's get this coconut open.
Now is when we pretend that I'm Captain America. Never mind. Ow!
You
Ah. Yeah! Hey, CBS's Survivor, hit me up.
saw her open up that coconut. You'd have everybody like wanting to be on your team.
But would I have fans?
I'd be your fan.
Aww.
I'd also be safe, not on the island,
You know.
cheering you on from behind the television
Right.
screen. Have we even said what we're gonna make out of it?
We're making chicken breaded, zesty ranch breaded chicken on.
Coconut and beet. Oh wait, no. Is
Oh, coconut mixed in with the ranch.
Yeah.
Covered chicken with some ginger on it too. That is gonna be so sad. The ginger's gonna mess it up. Okay,
Got it.
let's see how this goes.
If you're making those at home, just use big spoon.
I'm just gonna cut this up really finely so that it cooks faster.
We need music.
I know we gotta do. You know, what other songs are there that we can listen to?
Like Disney ones or like.
Because you could just speed it up and then you wouldn't really hear it.
What are you guys doing? We are making some food. Do you want to say hi? Sure. You can say. Get him, girl. Oh, I was talking to
But you know.
You too. Hey.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
This will be interesting.
So, what is that again? Sorry.
Besides this chunk
No.
right here,
Yeah.
it's going to be like, we're gonna put the chicken in there. So
You know, I think the clumps add a texture that's going to be really
It's
beneficial.
really very interesting because it has all the ingredients in one bite.
Everything together.
This could be really gross. Look, we got more coconut milk out of it. This isn't unshot at all. Straight
natural coconut
from the coconut. This is not looking too bad. Like, I'm really worried about the maple.
Mm-hmm.
We should make some normal chicken too. Just in case.
Do we want to do that?
We have children to feed. That's not gonna even cook.
Oh, because there's so much breading.
We obviously have to make some kind of puree because they always make purees.
Mm-hmm.
So
I mean, we're kind of doing that with the beet potato. Like, we could use the liquid.
that is
something
true.
to it.
Dun, dun, dun. Chicken's going in the oven.
She does the artsy stuff. I'm a cut the chicken with scissors kind of person.
Do you want to try some of the chicken by itself?
Yeah. Good fork. Not bad.
I'm so happy.
It's like actually nice. This is the plate. Okay, Mary Grace, look at that plating situation, girl. Holy cow.
Was an attempt.
Amazing. Love it. So that was Cooking in the Chop Basket with Mary Grace. It was so much fun. I'm so glad that she was willing to do this video with me. Thank you, Mary Grace, for everything that you did. So I know it's been a while since one of these videos were posted, but it's been an incredible series to make. I've tried so many different things, even outside of what's been filmed, and it's been an incredible growing experience. So I really encourage you to try something new, and when you do, please film it or take a picture and send it to me at carlathompson321@gmail.com. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Go be unbound. Bye!